going on a quick test drive here. We have 26,719 miles on the odometer. Now if you see any flickering, that's just in the camera, that's not in person. Non-smoker, extremely clean inside and out. Don't let the miles fool you. It definitely looks like it has 6,000 miles on it, not 26. You got a little bit of PPF on that front end, paint protection film protecting it from rocks. Yellow seat belts, yellow gauges, yellow calipers. It's got it all. Really good combo. Steering nice and straight. Wheel looks good. No vibrations in it. Doesn't shake or shimmy. And this car does have, I believe, almost a year left of CPO. The exact date is on the website, but it is a CPO car and it still has warranty left. So go check out the website to get that exact expiration date. No complaints with drivability. Solid car. Definitely a good buy. Shifts nice and smooth. No complaints with drivability. Absolutely perfect. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the front end of the car, you do have PPF from right here up on that fender, and then right here on the hood up, as well as the entire front bumper and the headlights. Looking at the front right wheel, they are gloss black. I don't see any curb rash. Looks good. Yellow calipers, Pilot Sport 4S tires with the date code of 2021. Looking at the fender, looks good. A-pillar, nice and clean. No film on the side mirrors, looks good. Making our way down the door. The door looks good. Here on the lower side, there's no film here, and so you do have some rock impacts and rock chips. And that little section there. Rest of the quarter, got one chip there. The rest of that looks good. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Got the yellow caliper there. It does not have carbon ceramics. Pilot Sport 4S's, date code 2021, 305 3020s here in the back. Looks good. Love the wheels. You got the window tint here on the side. Like I said, PPF on the headlights, 1/3 of the hood, and this full front bumper. Now you're gonna have little impacts here and there. And there's some film there, but it probably impacted the paint on a couple of those. It's really hard to tell. Looking up there, that looks good. Headlights are nice and clear. And we do have a little mark right here, but that's in the film. Clear lens. Overall in great condition. Looking at the lower splitter, it did rip off right here, so you can see that. It does have some rash. That's a pretty easy fix though on that lower side. Looking way under here, you do have some rash. Now you're not going to see that really from walking around the car though. So that front end looks good. Quick easy fix on that lower side, and even then it's hard to see it. I mean, this is probably 10 inches off the ground, just kind of walking around it, and you don't notice it. Fender looks good. Wheels in great condition, date code 2021. Rear looks amazing, A-pillar looks good. Right here you do have a couple touch-up spots, and then you're gonna have the chips right here as well. It's pretty minimal though. Quarter looks good. That wheel looks good. Taillight looks awesome. Beautiful car though. Upper section looks good. Exhaust tips look good. You look right there, you do have a little dimple. Then you have a couple more there. Just in that little area, it's very subtle. Beautiful car though. Looking at the interior, it's a non-smoker and smells incredible in here. Very clean. Got the yellow seat belts, got the yellow gauges, all ties in really well with the calipers. Great choices there. Carbon on the center stack. Looking at that door panel, looks amazing. Grab handle, nice and clean. Buttons look good. Very well taken care of. Looking at that trim, looks awesome. Got the Porsche floor mats. Look at that bolster. Beautiful condition. All the way up. Very little wear on that seat. Same with the steering wheel, nice and clean. Automatic headlights, buttons over here look good. That screen looks nice. And I love the carbon right here. Heated cool seats. All the goodies. Not much to pick apart in here. Here on this door panel, upper section looks amazing. Grab handle area looks good. Plastics are nice and clean. That trim looks good. Carpets are awesome. And checking out the seat. It's in great condition. Love the yellow seat belts. And then check back here. You got the seat belts as well. Tie it all in really, really clean. Glove box looks good. You do have your cup holders here. Upper side of the dash looks good. Really not much to pick apart over here. Here in the front, carpet looks incredible. Plastics are all nice and clean, and it smells super fresh in here. Looks amazing in here.